find out the median if you are given a cumulative frequency series. See, whenever a cumulative frequency series will be given, you will be given your variable in the form of less than or more than, right? So let's suppose there is a question that is wage rate is given to you less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, less than 80. The frequency now given in the question is number of workers, which is 15, 35, 60, 84, 96, 127, 198 and 250. So whenever less than or more than series are given, that is open-ended series are given, in that case your number of workers will always be a cumulative frequency, which means less than 10 includes 0 to 10, that is 15. Less than 20 includes 0 to 10 and 10 to 20. Less than 30 includes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So these are your cumulative frequency. Now convert it into the original series. That is your classes, that is wage rate. So you simply can convert it as 0 to 10, from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and less than 80 means 70 to 80. Right? Now convert the cumulative frequency into the normal frequency. So less than 10 means 0 to 10 are 15 only. From 10 to 20 include 0 to 10 and 10 to 20, here 35. Now you have to just find out for 10 to 20. So what you will do, you will 35 minus 15. So it will be 20. After that what you will do, less than 30, 60 minus 35, 25. 30 to 40 is 84 minus 60, 24. 40 to 50 is 96 minus 84, that is 12. 50 to 60 is 1 to 7 minus 96, which is 31. Then 198 minus 127, which is equal to 71. Then from 70 to 80 is 250 minus 198, which is equal to 52. So when you do its summation F, it will be 250. So your formula, the same formula you will put. We have arranged it in the ascending descending order. We have find out the cumulative frequency. It was given to us. We will find out the frequency. Now n by 2th item, which is equal to 250 divided by 2, which is equal to 125th item. So 125th, what in which series we have to see, in which frequency we have to see? We have to see in cumulative frequency. So it comes in the 127. So your median class becomes 50 to 60. So your lower limit is 50 plus n divided by 2, 15, minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is 96. Frequency of the median class 31 into your I, that is class interval, is 10. So you can find out very easily now. 29 divided by 31 into 10. So 50 plus 9.35, so it comes out to be 59.35 is your median wage rate. So from 50 to 60 it lies between 50 to 60, so your 59.35 is your median wage rate. This is how you find your median if you are given with the cumulative frequency series. If it was given more than, then the more than value you had to find out. The cumulative frequency was given in the case of more than also. Find out the frequency and the wage rate in the order of class and intervals. Now putting the same formula you can find out your median value. Do download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.